Good, beautiful morning. It's a gorgeous day where I live in upstate New York, and I thought today I would do some inchy, or actually twinchy collages, which is just a collection of little collages that are 2 inches square, or I think you can even do it with circles. I don't know what the actual rules are, but this is what I'm doing. And I was going to also try to see if I could round the edges a little bit, and it's not going to work that great. So I think I need maybe some, I'm going to need some like cardstock underneath there to round the edges. I'm going to round the edges and I'm going to ink the edges. At least I'm going to try to round the edges. And then we will put on our little embellishments after I glue these all down. So I realized that it was going to take me forever to try to round the edges off and with using this thing and extra cardstock underneath and wasting cardstock. So I decided to just try to round them myself like this, which so far isn't too bad. But I hope you are all doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and enjoying a beautiful spring so far. I know we've had some very gloomy weather, and so it's really nice. I'm hoping that Memorial Day is going to be really nice because we're going to have a big party, a big cookout. And grandkids are coming, and Bethany's coming. And Bethany actually came yesterday, too. And boy, she's like the Energizer Bunny now. But at the same time, she's also experiencing some side effects from a medication. And mostly tipsiness. And so we are working with the doctor and her house where she lives to get that lowered. It's not as easy as 1, 2, 3 when she was living at home. If, I wanted to reduce the medication, I would just call the doctor and he would reduce it. But now it has to be done through the proper channels, even though we are her, we're still her legal guardians. So that was a new experience for me, not being able to just get it immediately reduced. So I think I actually almost need to erase these lines because I don't want to see them, at least not all of them. Alright, so I think we'll use this here. I'm going to ink the edges of everything and glue everything down. So I'm going to do all this and then we will come back together and figure out what else we're doing. Right, so I have my background on here, and I know that some people will put their words or their script upside down and sideways and all that jazz, but honestly, I can't do that. I have tried and I just don't like it. I want my writing the right way up. Now, people that do it the other way, they make beautiful collages, but it's just weird to me, and I would prefer to keep my words upright. But maybe someday I'll try again and just do it, even though it doesn't feel right to me. Now, the other day, I sorted through my stamps, and I can see that I didn't do a very good job because I got a green one in with the purples. So I was thinking I would use a different stamp from each, or like a different stamp from the same color, and I even got a purple one in here. These are birds, but I'm thinking that they won't look good. If I put a pop of color from this stamp, this is not going to look good with it, unless I had like pink or gray stamps, but I don't. I need more than that, but I just don't know what else I need. Maybe I got some new, maybe a stamp like this would be nice. Let's stamp each one with a flower of some sort. Alright, so I have got my stamps ready here, and I'm going to just test them out. Oh, that looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on. One. It didn't come out as good on there. I may end up stamping again too. And I thought there was, yeah, here it is. Okay, I do have some tickets that I'll do this one again since it didn't work great in the first one. I have like some old Dollar Tree tickets that I had inked up, so I think I'll get those out, and maybe those with a stamp, like maybe a green. Oh, they're too big. They also got these little vine things. I'm not sure they're the right colors, but they might work. But here's my little cutter here, and I was thinking, why don't I cut some tickets out of this? Then we have a ticket for each one, but each one will have a different stamp, and so there's cohesiveness, but also, you know, they're not all exactly the same. And I'm going to ink these up, and I might put some numbers on them, just because I think it would look better than just a plain ticket. Alright, so we got that. And then I'm not really sure about using these, because look at the color. I think the colors are going to be too bright. I don't think I have enough. Like this would work. I don't think I have enough of them though. Here's another one. Maybe I do. Let's see. See if I have enough. So I did have enough of the vines, and I've inked these up. Now I use this to write number, but it's too far apart. I don't like it. It should be closer together. So what I'm thinking is, I don't want to, like, I'm going to have to cut another one of these. I just don't like the way it came out. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put numbers on. That's easier and less chances of messing it up. So I'm going to put just random numbers on them. Like here's 3, 8, 3, 8, 7. Let's do that for this one. So that's that. That's how I'm going to do those. And I still need to cut another one of those up, but let's get the rest of these numbered up. And I probably will speed this up. Okay. So yeah, I think we could do a different color for each one. So let's get rid of this one. Put the brown there. I think we'll keep that for the red, and we'll put this, maybe we'll put this purple here. And then we have blue. Oop. Oh, where'd my little, oh there it is. We've got blue, green. Though that one's kind of too much like purple though. Let's see what else I can find. We've got bright blue. Let's try that. That's very bright. I'm still looking through see what other colors we might come up with. Orange. We don't have an orange. So, let's do this orange instead of this brighter blue. Now everyone is a different color. Awesome. Okay. That's what we're doing. That's the plan, and I'm sticking to it. My desk is such a mess right now. Oh my goodness. Alright, so now I just have to decide how to glue things down. So I think I'm going to just start by gluing down the vines. And it turned out that the green one on the other side was the color I was looking for. So that worked out good. Okay, so we'll do this one like that. And what I'm thinking is moving everything off except the stamps. Or except the vines for now. Okay. Something tells me I just misplaced a stamp. Okay, well, we'll figure it out. And I'm going to try to put these all going in like different directions, just to give it a little bit of difference. So, like this, can go that way now. Oh, I hope you're all well and happy and healthy. So, we'll start all over again with this one, I guess. Maybe we'll just, I mean, how many other positions are there like that? What have you been working on? We have so much junk in our yard that we need to clean up. And because we put a new door in, and so we have some rubbish from that, taking the old door out. And I don't know about you, but I like my yard to be neat and tidy. So it's kind of bugging me. And like there's an old dryer out too. Yeah, so, you know, a bunch of branches that fell out of the trees, that kind of thing. But the other day we filled up our pond, and we thought we saw a frog in it, but it turned out to be a toad, so he needed to come out. So we do have, like, you know, rocks in it and a ramp going up over to the edge, so anything that falls in it can get out, but we did help the little guy get out quicker. We weren't sure if he was figuring out where to go. So that kind of, you know, was a little disturbing to see, but I was just thinking that maybe I want some of these under, like that. Or on the bottom. So now I'm going to have to figure out how to glue everything back down where I'm putting it. Let's see. There, that's good. Okay, so we'll do this one on top. I feel like I should just use my, it might be better to use my glue stick, but I'm not sure. It would be messier, that's for sure. So I think these are what you would kind of call tiles, almost, you know? Little, look at my fingernails. Gross. So whenever Bethany comes for a visit, and then when she goes back home, of course I get depressed, but not only do I get depressed, but so does Dobby. And when we took Dobby to the dog park, at first Bethany didn't want to get out of the car and go in. So my husband took, you know, I waited in the car with Bethany because she can't wait in there by herself. And my husband took Dobby was starting to take Dobby into the dog park. And then Bethany decided she wanted to go in, which I was very happy about. And she actually walked around the whole dog park once, the perimeter. The last time she did it 3 times, this time only once. But, you know, she got some exercise, so I was happy about that. And, but when the dog realized that Bethany was in the dog park, he just was so thrilled, and he's running up to her, so excited. And, you know, you would have thought he was, you know, a puppy again. He was so thrilled that she came in the dog park with him. It was so cute. He misses her. We all miss her. But, you know, she needs to be settled in life because, unfortunately, we're not going to be around forever. And I'm, like, covering up all my flowers that I've stamped. Well, maybe this one. Maybe I could put more on them. I could put this one here. I could also stamp some little bees. I have little bees. That might look cute. So, my point here was that I was trying to make everything look cohesive in, like, a set, but also each one being different but the same, you know what I mean? So hopefully that's what I've accomplished. But I am not done yet. I think I want to add some, I have my little bee here. Can put a bee on something. I don't know if it'll look good or not. We'll see. We're just going to do it. There's a little bee. I think I need something like harder to put under here. But I don't really have anything, so we could put, I need to stick that down better. I don't know if another bee will fit anywhere. I don't think it will. Let's see if I have anything even smaller. Because I do have a couple of little tiny ones. Like here is a leaf, one little leaf, a mushroom. It's 3 flowers. They're too modern looking. Let's try a little tiny leaf. It worked on the, oh yeah, that looks really cute. I think I'll do that on all of them. Woohoo, I think that looks adorable. I feel like it needs to be stuck down more. Okay. I still feel like maybe a mushroom somewhere. I don't know if it will work. I don't think it will fit. I've already got the bee there. Let's just try it right here and see if it looks good. That didn't work out too well. I think I'm going to put some more leaves, like here and here. Oop, that one didn't show up. Let's see if I can get that one to show up. Oh, that looks good. Alright. I just feel like it's missing something, but I don't know what. Maybe it's missing flower. I don't really have any kind of little flower, though. What about these? Would these look good on it? Like one on each? No, I don't think so. Nope, I don't like that. I don't think I have anything else to do to put on there. I've got these little stickers, but I think they're too big. Oh, I might have some little leaf stickers. Let's see. Here's some small ones. I don't know. I feel like maybe the gold ones. What else have I got that I could use? These are all too big. Doesn't look like there's any little ones. I don't want it to look too autumny either. I'm really interested in seeing how one of these leaves look. Yeah, I don't like that either. How about something like this? No, I think we're going to stop here, and if I come up with anything else later, I will add to it. So this is my Twinchy tile little tiny collages. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.